Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received this affordable outdoor style smartwatch, the Q11 smartwatch. It is powered by Fit application that is available on Android and iOS. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, as well as the features or the UI. Let's focus first on the UI. So if you are interested to see the details about the Q11 smartwatch, it is an outdoor sports smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the Q11 smartwatch. So this is the packaging of the wearable. So let's remove the plastic and let's check out the contents of the smartwatch. Okay. So simple packaging, and as you can see here, it's already deformed. Very far from the H11 smartwatch. We have here the H11 smartwatch, much better packaging. So this one, so cheap looking box, but anyway, what we are after is the smartwatch. As you can see here on the wearable, we don't have much details on the specifications, but we do have the support app here. We do have the Fit and the QR code for the app. So that's it. Then for the contents, let's check. So we have the silver color as stated here on the sticker. So we have the contents of the box. We have a flexible silicone strap with steel buckle. We have charging cable, pogo pin, USB type A, and of course the smartwatch, lightweight smartwatch. Okay, so here are the contents. So I'm looking for the user manual. Okay, we have here the user manual. When it comes to price difference from the H11, it's just I think it's just a few dollars. Okay, so here are the contents of our Q11 smartwatch. Okay, so before we attach the strap, let's check first the dimension of the wearable as well as the weight. Let's turn this on. 00 without the strap, just 22 or 22 grams. With the strap attached, around 40 grams. So less than 40 grams in total weight. For the dimension, very light so far. We have 46.8 for the length. Again, so maybe 46.8 for the width without the crown button here. So let's have this measurement, 37.4 or maybe around 38. Okay, and for the thickness, we have 12.0. Okay, so let's attach this first, then we will check on the design. After that, we'll focus on the specs. Let's attach the strap. Okay, very easy to attach. The other one, let's fix the quick release pin. And that's it. Okay, for the design, flexible silicone strap with stainless steel buckle quick release pin. For the width or for the size of the strap here, so I think it is 0.22. Okay, then plastic middle frame. Even the bezel here, although it is metallic in color, it is plastic. The same with the crown button here. Also, it almost look like a kid's smartwatch. Okay, very entry level smartwatch. So if you are in your teen, or if you are a teenage years, I think this is not for you. Looks like a kid's smartwatch, to be honest. Very lightweight, and you can obviously see the difference from the medium or from the mid-range smartwatches. So this is an entry-level outdoor style smartwatch, the Q11 smartwatch. For the specifications, let's see. So it has a full touchscreen, Bluetooth 5.2, and 1.71 inch screen display for this. We do have a crown button and we have a built-in flashlight. Okay, it has several days of battery life, compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, I'm going to put the specs here. So the specs page for this wearable is not detailed, as you can see here. So I will look for other sources for the specifications and I will put it here. Again, 1.71 inch, 7 days standby time, 3 days battery life, Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, so let's turn this on and let's check the UI of the wearable. Okay, as you can see, powered by Laxaspit. Let's see. Okay, you can use the crown button here. It is a rotary crown button, and as you can see, very slim black border. The screen display is okay. We do have a flashlight here, notifications on top. On the bottom part, we have a dashboard for the different apps. On the left side, the same. And to access the main menu, just press the power button. Go back. The right side, it's all about the cards. So far, very responsive. The screen is very responsive. I like the color here. I don't know if there's a brightness option, but so far it looks decent for the screen display. The screen display is good. Not that big, but I think it's okay. Much better than the other wearables. What I don't like about this is the body frame. Obviously, it is a cheap plastic. Let's see if this one will work for the flashlight. No. So you have, okay, double press to turn on the flashlight, double press to off. An LED built-in flashlight. Okay, so that's it for the design, the dimension, the specs, as well as the UI of our Q11 smartwatch. On our next video, we are going to focus on the features, the menus available here in the Q11 smartwatch. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.